Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.